Here at the Academy, we're very excited to be partnering up with AFIP to bring a full Advanced F&I workshop that includes all the information that you need to know to pass the AFIP certification test. We're going to talk about advanced menu presentation, some of the core elements of the highly successful Y.E.S. F&I process, how to work with finance companies, lender relations, deal structure, legal compliance, and all the information that you need to know to complete and pass AFIP certification. This is a very unique workshop being done not only here in the Academy, but also nationwide. So look for details, but we look forward to seeing you in the Academy for our Advanced F&I workshop with full AFIP certification. We'll see you soon.